we're using this Meguiars headlight restoration kit with the buffing pad, as well as wet sanding the headlight with 800 grit sandpaper. As you can see, we're sanding the headlight there, and for comparison's sake, the headlight on the right side was buffed without wet sanding previously. So we wet sanded the left side and then buffed, and the right side we just straight buffed without wet sanding. And you can see that as we buff the left side, it's much more clearer than the right side that was just buffed without sanding. So after finishing the one on the left side, we go back and wet sand the right side and rebuff it. As mentioned before, we're using an 800 grit sandpaper to wet sand the headlight. Alright, that's our headlight, both sides. We wet sanded it with 800 grit and then polished it with the headlight restoration kit. So, looks pretty good.